Hugo Leon, of course, we've seen you now for at least 2 decades as a player. Your role is now as the coach for Brazil and very much looking after the women's team. But this morning's semi-final of the women's singles event here in Santos, a little disappointing. Caroline Kamahara is beaten by Ankita Das.
Yeah, it was really not a good match from Caroline. She had many problems about Das service. Missed too much, maybe like in the first, second set, 4.5 points just gave to Das. That is hard to win. Anyway, she lost 11-9, 11-8. But then after third set also, about her attack was too much same speed, the same location. She could change more. After that, Das was really, she was feeling very good to log, and then that's why it was difficult to Caroline to win this match.
Watching Ankita Das play, I call her over the table, especially on the backhand. She excelled, and that caused Caroline a lot of problems.
Yeah. I asked Caroline to put more middle beforehand. She did sometimes, but the important moments she didn't do so much. She played only Das middle backhand. Then, as I told you, Das played very good also. She took every chance she had. Then I think it was not because Caroline played bad. I think Das played good and she deserved this victory.
The other young lady who's impressed me here in the quarterfinals of the women's singles event was Gu Lin, who in fact extracted the third game, I believe, from Elizabeth Samara, and she showed she could play at that level. Now, you must be very pleased with her progress.
Yeah, I wasn't the coach for Gu Lin in this match, but I saw by side, and she played good playing, aggressive. When she had to block, she blocked well. And then after the match, I told her that I want her to play like this 80% of the matches, not the other side. Normally, when you play stronger player, you play like this. Now you have no pressure to win like this. But then that's what I told her. From now on, I know that you can play like this level. So if you play like this, about 70% against other players, your level will improve, your ranking will improve, and also Brazilian table tennis will win. We gain about this. So I think she puts this in her mind, and I will try, and also I will keep talking to her to really to do this after these championships.
But coming up behind her, I was in Peru earlier this year, and I was impressed with Leticia Nakada and Bruna Takahashi. I think they're very good next generation players.
Yeah, sure. We had many training camps here, and I saw them practicing very hard and very disciplined. They like very much. Very young also. Bruna, I think, is 12 or 13. And Leticia, she just finished. Forehand for 2 pimples.
For the short pimple.
Yeah, for short pimple. Anyway, she's playing very good, and they listen very much about what I say, what Paco say, and that's important. I think Brazil will be very well represented in 2020-24 for Olympic Games.
Well, of course, Leticia Nakada won the girls' singles event, Junior and Cadet Open, but of course here, very much can anybody beat Elizabeth Samara. Yeah. She's just overcome Manika Batra 4-0, and Manika Batra has caused everybody problems with the long pimples, the blocking style of play. But of course, Elizabeth Samara, when the crisis loomed, she could adjust.
Yeah, but Samara is a very clever player. She knew about this long pimple from the Indian player. That's why she had no problem at all. And for the first point until the last one, she was very concentrated, because it's hard to play against a player like this when you never know what she can do. But also, I think it was very good for Samara, and also for Brazilian table tennis to see her playing here, especially the girls, of course, to take something good from Samara. I hope many things good, but if they take many small things, at least I think they will improve.
Well, certainly, we've seen the improvements in Brazil, we've seen a high level of play, we've seen it in the men, we've seen it in the women, and for your role as coach, now you've been coached for nearly a year?
No, since March.
Since March.
Yeah,
How are you enjoying the coaching though?
yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm feeling very good, and I think we can do a very good job. As my proposal is to give to my players something good to them to get much success, not only success, much success. Because fortunately, as a player, I could win many good matches, win many good medals at Pan American Games. I think this I want to show them now. I cannot do in the table now for national team, so then I can show to my players that they can do this, because I think they have discipline, they want this, and for sure, for my part, I will do my best.
Well, I will say, without any doubt, they have a fine, fine belt bubble. Hugo Ayala, Brazil. That's it.
Thanks,